Hi everyone, I'm Sean, and welcome back to the CloudApper podcast. In today's episode, we have with us Bridget Chivenge, one of our experienced customer success analysts, to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about CloudApper Facilities App. Hi Bridget, welcome to the CloudApper podcast.
Hi, Shreyan. Thank you for having me. I look forward to engaging with you in this podcast.
Thanks for joining, Bridget. In our podcast, we discuss how CloudApper is transforming the way enterprise software is created. Our AI powered no code platform solves the problem of developer shortages and their high turnover rate by automatically making software without writing a single line of code. When there's no code to write or manage, companies can avoid development headaches and focus on growing their business. As you may have already guessed, in our today's episode, we would like to know how CloudApper helps with facility management, an organizational function which integrates people, assets, places, and processes within the built environment with the purpose of improving the quality of life of people and productivity of the core business. So, Bridget, tell us about how CloudApper Facilities app eases the facility management process.
Of course. So with CloudApper Facilities, it offers like instant insight into all aspects of your facility management. So this ranges from your asset management, managing the actual facilities, managing evacuation processes in terms of, let's say there's an emergency in the facility, CloudApper will be able to have a module that will allow you to manage that evacuation process. It also assists with just maintaining your facility management. So CloudApper is just like an all-in-one solution that allows you to manage all prospects of your facility activities.
Thanks for letting us know about CloudApper Facilities app. Is there any training required to use this application?
Mhm. So CloudApper Facilities is very easy to use. Our platform is super, super simple. It's user friendly. You don't need to have like an IT background for you to understand the software. You don't need to be tech savvy. Everything is very basic. It's very simple. So I think just going through a couple of videos will be enough for you to grasp the concept and start using facilities on your own.
That sounds very convenient. I'm sure a lot of users are going to love that. So, what are some of the things that I can manage with this app?
So with facilities, like I said previously, you're able to manage all the aspects of your facility activities. So this ranges from the assets that are in the facilities. So if you have, let's say, a warehouse, for example, right? So you're going to have machinery in that warehouse. Facilities allows you to manage all the machinery that are in your warehouse within that same application. If there's an emergency that happens in your facility, let's say a fire breaks out, with facilities, you'll be able to see your evacuation routes. You'll be able to see your emergency documents, so you'll be able to manage that aspect of your facility as well. If you have, let's say, vendors that are coming in on a constant basis to do asset maintenance or to fix your assets, you'll be able to digitalize and manage that process as well. So it allows you to manage basically everything that you can think of in terms of keeping your facility up to date, safe, and everything is done in real time.
Wow, that's going to take a lot of load of the facility manager's shoulder. I'm curious to know if the facility app is customizable in any way.
Yes, definitely. So that's actually one of the highlights of using CloudApper. All of our solutions, including facilities, is highly personalized. So the solution can get easily personalized thanks to our drag and drop editor. It will be personalized according to your specific organization's needs.
That's actually quite a relief because not all facilities operates or manages in the same process. So how many facilities can we manage within a single application here? Like, do we have to pay anything extra for managing multiple facilities within a single application?
Mhm. Well, listen, with CloudApper, we don't actually charge you per facility. You can have a million facilities, 1,000, just two facilities, it's up to you. We don't charge anything extra for managing multiple facilities. So you are able to store all of your facility information within a single app.
Sounds great. My next question is about its current and future user trends. Uh, which industries do you think could be most benefited by using this application?
Yeah. So, like I mentioned previously, CloudApper Facilities is customizable, right? So, if you have a manufacturing business, we can customize it to suit your manufacturing processes. For government sectors, we can also customize it so that it can be able to suit the processes that they have there. Mining, public sector, schools, hospitals, anything that you can think of, CloudApper is suitable for that specific industry or for that specific business use case.
And in your opinion, how is CloudApper Facilities different from the other facility management softwares that are already available in the market?
Yeah. So I've managed to kind of look around at some of our competitors, and what I've noticed is that you cannot get the best of both worlds, right? So it's either you get the application on a web platform or you get it strictly on mobile only. But with Cloud Appa, you have the same facilities application on a dual platform. So this means that you can access facilities on your laptop using the web client. You can also access facilities on your mobile device using the mobile client as well. So with our platform, it's really, really cheap. For a very good facilities application out there, you would look at something above, let's say, a couple of thousand US dollars. With us, it's a very small fee that we charge, and it also allows you to personalize the facilities application. So with most companies, what you get, what you see is what you get, right? What they made is what you just use. But with CloudAppa, you can come to us with your requirements, and we can be able to customize facilities based on those specific requirements.
That sounds really tempting. I mean, I'm sure a lot of our viewers would like to give it a try. Do
Yeah.
you offer any free trials on the application right now?
Yes, definitely. So if you're not convinced, you are able to sign up for a 14-day trial just to kind of go through the application by yourself. We also have a team that is willing to offer you a demo, walk you through the solution, and just make sure that you understand how everything works and that you're satisfied with facilities before you move on to a paid subscription.
Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining the podcast, Bridget. I hope to see you soon in another episode of our CloudApper podcast when we can talk about some other application from CloudApper. Thanks to our audience for listening to our podcast. Do let us know in the comments if you have any more questions about CloudApper facilities. Don't forget to like and share it on our social media, and please subscribe to our channel so that you can watch our future episodes when they air. Thank you, everyone.
Awesome stuff. Thanks, everyone.